wabarakatuh. My name is Bunga Kartikasari. I am from the class. I will do simultaneous interpreting of the following two videos to fulfill my final term examination. The first video is an Indonesian video with 5 minutes duration into English, and the second video is an English video with 5 minutes duration into Indonesian. So let's begin for the first video. I am Leni Martini. My origin from Bandung, Indonesia. This is my story as a student, wife, and mother. Currently, I am the college student of Center for Development Research, University of Bonn. I am researching decorative and community box in Bandung. And speaking of how my journey to get here actually began with my husband, who worked as pianist at Kabupaten in 2010. At that time, he had a dream to bring all of us here. Our consideration was to take the children moving out from Indonesia to see the wider world of how vast this earth of Allah is, to see there is another way of life, expand the insights, and learn the foreign life. Then I tried to find a scholarship with the appropriate field of study. That I admire of German PhD system is the excellent support system. For example, I am a mother with 3 children who can go to work peacefully at the office because my children can go to the school and also get the protection from the kindergarten, which held by University of Bonn. Another thing that very supported is the transportation system and the discipline in Germany. There are many buses passing by my house at the office, and the schedule of the bus which timely, so I can arrange my daily activity. The culture on German highway is excellent, so I don't worry letting my children go off by bike or riding their own roller. Besides that, the low crime that make me calm. They can commute from school to home or their friend's house. That also make me calm letting them without interrupt me in the campus.
Kalau pagi-pagi yang bantuin anak-anak itu abinya. Jadi ngetok-ngetok.
Their father wakes them up by knocking door and preparing. It is because I'm still the youngest one, then preparing the breakfast and clean the kitchen or heating the water, isn't it, Abi? And then I prepare the lunch box for them. If there is still a time, I may cook for the lunch, at least cooking materials so he can prepare for the lunch, and then I take care of the youngest to attend to the kindergarten, and then I go to the campus. Here also Budi sees the children go to the school and everything seems interesting. How fast this world and diversity and there are many things can be learned from the more advanced civilization in Europe. Here the future of the children can be better, can be more respect to the differences, and they are more independent, can explore their interests and talents. And here the social condition and the environment expect for supporting what we expect. They are the children and the husband has the huge heart and truly understanding me. Also for the big family in Indonesia, everybody support. So even though for me there are many moments when I feel so stressed, managing the time didn't work, and all of this here that feels everything inside my head so dizzy of how manage the schedule of the children's extracurricular and then submit the paper and yet it feels that perhaps make me can take the experience to become a good personality in the future. Yeah, that's my interpreting for the first video, and the second video was taken from Expedia YouTube channel with the title Amsterdam.
With just over 1.2 million people,
Dengan
Amsterdam
kurang
is the
lebih
largest city
1,2
in the
juta
Netherlands, a
penduduk,
country most
Amsterdam
people
adalah
know as Holland.
kota terbesar di Belanda, sebuah negara yang lebih dikenal banyak orang sebagai
This
Holland.
multicultural city warmly embraces
Kota
tourists,
multibudaya
with
ini
over
menyambut para
3.5
wisatawan dengan
million people
hangat
visiting each
dengan
year.
lebih dari 3,5
The
juta
Dutch are
orang yang
very
berkunjung
tolerant
setiap
and fun to
tahunnya.
talk with.
Orang-orang Belanda sangat
Everybody
toleran
speaks
dan
English.
menyenangkan untuk diajak bicara dan semuanya berbicara
The
bahasa
heart of the
Inggris.
city is so picturesque that it
Pusat
is like an
kotanya sangat
historical
indah,
open-air museum.
bagaikan
No
museum
wonder that the
sejarah
Inner Canal
yang
District
di ruang
is an
terbuka.
internationally
Tak heran
protected
kawasan
heritage
kanal
site.
ini di dalam kota secara
In the 17th
internasional
century,
dijadikan warisan
Amsterdam
budaya.
was a center for
Pada
world
abad
economy,
ke-17,
and
Amsterdam
many of the
merupakan
canal
pusat
houses and
perekonomian
old
dunia
warehouses
dan
date from
banyak
this
dari
golden
rumah-rumah
age.
kanal dan
Some
gudang-gudang tua
landmarks,
yang
such as the
sudah
Oude
ada
Kerk
sejak
in the
zaman
Red Light
keemasan ini.
District,
Beberapa
even
bangunan
date
penting
back to
seperti
the
the Oude
13th
Kerk di
century.
distrik Red Light bahkan sudah ada sejak abad ke-13.
Just a short walk from the central station
Dengan
is
berjalan
iconic Dam
kaki
Square,
dengan
built nearly
jarak yang dekat dari
750
pusat
years ago.
stasiun, terdapat
Its purpose
alun-alun kota
gave
The
the city
Dam
its
yang
name,
terkenal
Amsterdam.
dibangun sejak
A
hampir
dam built around the
750 tahun
river
yang lalu.
Amstel to
Kota
protect
ini
it from
diberi
an
nama
inland sea.
sesuai dengan tujuannya, yaitu
The
Amstel
square is
Bendungan.
dominated by the Royal
Bendungan
Palace.
yang dibangun di
From
sekitar
its
sungai
windows,
Amstel
you
untuk
can see
melindungi
the
sungai
national
dari
monument
sungai dangkal.
dedicated to the
Alun-alun
many Dutch
didominasi oleh
victims
istana
of World War
kerajaan
II.
dan dari jendelanya kita dapat melihat monumen nasional
dam
yang
also
didedikasikan untuk
houses
orang-orang
Madame
Belanda
Tussauds
yang menjadi
wax
korban
collection.
Perang Dunia
The
Kedua.
impressive wax
The Dam
collection
juga merupakan
combines humor
koleksi
with an
lilin Madame
insight
Tussauds,
into Holland's gripping history.
koleksi lilin yang
Listen to
menakjubkan
fragments of
memadukan
Anne
selera
Frank's
humor dan
famous
wawasan
diary,
sejarah
or
Holland
visit
yang
her old
mempesona.
hiding place to understand what life was
Atau
like
mendengarkan
for Jewish
potongan-potongan
families
buku
during
terkenal dari
Nazi
Anne Frank
occupation.
atau mengunjungi tempat
It's
persembunyiannya
not
untuk
surprising
melihat
that
kehidupan
Europeans called Amsterdam the Venice of
Yahudi
the
pada
North.
masa pendudukan
No
Nazi.
less than
Hal ini tidak mengherankan
165
orang-orang
canals
Eropa
crossed
menyebut
by
Amsterdam
1,000
sebagai
bridges
Venesia Utara.
divide
Tidak
the
kurang dari
compact city center.
165 kanal yang
Forget about
dilintasi
cars.
ribuan
The best way to see the
jembatan
city
memisahkan
center
bagian
is
tengah
by
kota
foot,
yang
or,
padat,
as the
merupakan
Dutch would
tentang
say, just
mobil
get
untuk
on your
melihat
bike.
pusat kota, yaitu adalah dengan
Alternatively,
berjalan kaki
take
atau
the
seperti
tram
yang orang
across the
Belanda
city
bilang,
to the Museum
naiki
Plein.
sepedamu. Alternatif
Art and
lain
history lovers
menaiki tram
insist
melintasi
that you
kota
haven't
ke
seen
Museum
Amsterdam
Plein.
if you
Para
haven't
pecinta
seen the
seni dan
paintings
sejarah
by the
mengklaim
Dutch
bahwa
masters
Anda
that are
belum
on
melihat
display here.
Amsterdam jika belum melihat
The
lukisan
Rijksmuseum
karya maestro
focuses
Belanda
on Dutch
yang
painters
dipamerkan
from
di
the
sini.
Golden Age.
The
But don't forget,
Rijk
there are
Museum
over
fokus
1
pada para
million
pelukis
other
Belanda
artworks on
dari
display
zaman
in this
keemasan.
museum with 200
Tetapi jangan
rooms.
lupa juga di sini terdapat
Located
lebih dari
nearby
1
is the
juta
Van Gogh
karya
Museum,
lainnya yang dipamerkan
dedicated to a
di
poor
museum
but
ini
legendary 19th
dengan
century
200
painter.
ruangannya.
Sadly,
di
he
dekatnya
didn't live
lokasi
long
Museum
enough
Van
to
Gogh
see
yang
his work
dipersembahkan
become
pada
world
pelukis
famous.
yang miskin tetapi legendaris pada
Witness
abad
the fine
ke-19.
art of
Sayangnya ia tidak
transforming
cukup
rough stones into
berumur panjang
sparkling
untuk
jewels
melihat
in the
karyanya
Diamond
terkenal di
Museum.
seluruh dunia.
For centuries,
Saksikan seni rupa
Amsterdam was
mengubah
the
batu
diamond
kasar
polishing
menjadi
center of the world.
permata berkilau di museum berlian. Selama berabad-abad, Amsterdam menjadi
A
pusat
gentle
pemolesan
10-minute stroll
berlian di dunia.
northwest brings you to the
Berjalan
popular
santai selama 10
Vondelpark.
menit ke barat
On
laut
sunny
membawa
days,
Anda ke
it
Taman
bursts into
Vondelpark
life
yang
as
populer.
locals and
Di
tourists
hari yang
alike
cerah, taman
come here to
dipadati
relax
oleh
and people
penduduk
watch.
setempat dan turis yang berkunjung
If
ke
you're a
sini
beer
atau
lover,
hanya untuk
make your way over to the
melihat-lihat.
old Heineken Brewery.
Jika Anda pecinta
It
bir,
is the
Anda
place to
dapat pergi
sample
ke
one of
pabrik
the world's
tua
most popular
Heineken.
lagers.
Pabrik ini
Submerge
adalah
yourself
tempat
in the
untuk
interactive
mencicipi
Heineken
bir paling
experience.
ringan yang terkenal di dunia.
From the tulip-filled
Hanyutkan diri
stalls
Anda
of the
di
flower
pengalaman
market, follow
Heineken
the
yang
broad
interaktif.
canal northeast
Dari
to the
kios-kios
New
pasar
Markt.
bunga yang dipenuhi bunga tulip,
In the old
ikuti
days,
kanal yang
Dutch
lebar
traders
ke
used to
arah
come
timur
here to
laut
weigh in their
menuju
butter and cheese.
Newmarkt. Pada zaman dulu, para saudagar Belanda
Leaving the Newmarkt,
datang ke
you
sini
can
untuk
walk through
menimbang
Chinatown
mentega
to
dan
the
keju
central
mereka.
station, or take a
Setelah
short detour
dari
to
Newmarkt,
the Wallen,
Anda dapat
one of the
berjalan
world's
kaki
oldest
melalui
and most
Chinatown
famous
ke
red
pusat
light
stasiun
districts.
atau
Today,
mengikuti tur
coffee
singkat
shops and adult
mengitari The Wallen,
emporiums keep
salah
the
satu kawasan
anything goes
paling
spirit of this
tertua
neighborhood
dan
alive.
kawasan di
As
distrik
evening
Red
sets,
Light yang
head
paling
to the
terkenal.
Leidseplein, a square
Saat
that is
ini,
buzzing with live
kedai
music
kopi
and
dan
nightlife.
tokoh kebutuhan orang-orang
After dark,
dewasa
the
tetap
Canal
menjaga
District
semangatnya.
takes on a
Semuanya
romantic
sah-sah
air.
saja
The
di
perfect
daerah
backdrop
ini untuk
for a
tetap
moonlit
hidup.
walk before
Saat
you
malam
retreat
mulai
to your
menjelang,
hotel.
di pusat Leidseplein, alun-alun yang ramai dengan pertunjukan
There is no
musik
other city
yang
like
langsung
Amsterdam.
dengan kehidupan
With its
malamnya.
seafaring
Setelah
history,
gelap, area
charming
kanal
gabled
memunculkan
houses, remarkable
atmosfer yang
art, and
romantis,
cosmopolitan
latar belakang
people,
yang sempurna
it is a
untuk
place that you
berjalan
won't
di bawah
easily
sinar
forget.
rembulan sebelum kembali beristirahat ke hotel. Tidak ada kota lain seperti Amsterdam dengan sejarahnya mengarungi lautan, rumah beratap pelana yang memukau, dan karya seni yang indah dengan penduduk kosmopolitannya menjadikan Amsterdam tidak mudah untuk dilupakan. That's my interpreting for the second video. Thank you. Terima kasih untuk bimbingannya selama 1 semester ini kepada Bapak Andang Saehu. Semoga tetap diberi kesehatan di tengah situasi pandemi ini dan tetap diberi kekuatan untuk menjalani semua kesibukannya. Semangat untuk Bapak. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.